In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn any video into a GIF using Adobe Creative Cloud Express. Let's get into it. So here I have CC Express loaded up, and to get started we need to go up to the plus icon in the top left. With that selected, we then need to go down to Convert to GIF. By clicking on this, that's going to bring up the Convert to GIF window, where we have two options. We can either browse on our device to find the video clip, or we can drag and drop the video clip, which is what I'm going to do in this example. So here I have a clip of a guy looking very excited. As you can see, the clip is 11 seconds long, which in my opinion is a little too long. So what I'm going to do is use the trim tool to make this about 3 seconds, give or take. That will do. Once we've trimmed the clip, we can then turn our attention to file size. We have large, which is high quality, medium, which is suitable for social destinations, and small, which is low quality. I'm going to stick with medium as I want to use this on social media. The next thing we can look at is the size of our video. We can choose from 16 by 9, 9 by 16, or 1 by 1. I'm going to stick to 16 by 9 for this scenario. And with that selected, we can then go ahead and download our GIF. CC Express is going to process the video and turn it into a GIF, and the length of time this takes will depend on how long your clip is. As we're just dealing with a small video clip here, it shouldn't take too long. Once it's finished processing the video clip, we'll see a window that says your video has been downloaded, and if we turn our attention to the bottom left here, we can see that we have a GIF. Now what I'm going to do is drag this to my desktop so that I can open it and show that we now have a GIF from that video. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.